Ensure the TV and connected devices, cable box, game console, etc. are powered on. Verify that the HDMI cable is securely connected to both the TV and the external device. Make sure the power cable is properly plugged into both the TV and a working power outlet. Unplug the TV from the power outlet. Unplug any connected devices from the power outlet as well. Wait for at least 60 seconds or longer for a more thorough reset. Plug the TV and devices back in and turn them on. Use the TV's remote to navigate to the input or source button. Select the correct HDMI input that corresponds to the device you're trying to use. If you're unsure, try cycling through all the HDMI inputs to see if one works. Try a different HDMI cable to rule out a faulty cable. Check for any bent pins or damage on the HDMI ports on both the TV and the device. If a port is loose, try gently pressing on it while the cable is plugged in to ensure a secure connection. Check for any available software updates for your LG TV. If the issue persists, a factory reset may be necessary. This will restore the TV to its original settings and may resolve software glitches. If you're using a set-top box or other device, ensure it's powered on and working correctly. Try connecting the device to a different TV or monitor to see if the issue is with the device itself. Refer to your LG TV's user manual for specific troubleshooting steps or contact LG support for further assistance.